best walnuts to select are the ones that are green in color. Begin by removing the green hull off of each walnut. The compounds in the green hull is better used for medicinal purposes. This may take a while, but it will be well worth it. Always use gloves when working with black walnuts. Keep the pieces in a Ziploc bag. I put on 2 pair of gloves for this. I started off by using 100 proof alcohol. Some people use 80 proof, but I wanted the process to be faster. I have 2 large jars. Black walnut hull starts to change as soon as you separate it from the walnut. I'm going to place enough of the pieces into each jar so that I can just add my alcohol to make my tincture. After packing the jars, I added enough alcohol to cover the pieces. I ended up adding a little more alcohol. Place your jars in a dark place for 5 to 6 weeks. Be sure to shake them every day. For this first round, I used a metal jar strainer to filter out the liquid. The liquid may still contain some small pieces, so I use a cheesecloth to filter out any of the tiny particles. Be very careful because this is messy. After everything was strained, I began filling up my jars. Now put the tops on before adding the labels. Place 7 to 10 drops in a glass of water and drink once a day for 10 days. Thanks for watching.